So what I did was I went to templates and then I chose, actually I typed in photo grid, no, photo collage. And then I scrolled down to find a photo collage that I liked that had a lot of pre-done spots in it. Like this one. And I chose it. Then I took the photos out. Okay, and then on the left hand side, if you scroll down and go to more and scroll down, you will see YouTube. And when you click on YouTube, you connect, find the video that you want, like Canva, texture, text, and then drag it over. And that's it. Okay, you do have to do some resizing, and what I think I'm going to do is make a template with the right sizes. But it's really quite easy. It's really, really easy. All right, thanks.